Oh boy. I say, oh boy. I say, oh boy. 12-piece sterling silver with that drip drip. This is what we like to call Snowflake. It's got the diamond dust with the deep trillion cuts and all 12 teeth. Something like this, you're looking at about $5.97. And as you can see, this is heme. This is artwork right here. As I move this grill slowly, that is not fake lighting. This is all natural lighting. Nothing special either. I don't have any ring lights. I don't have any fluorescent lights. Just basic light bulb lights, man. Making that thing ting. See all that great polish work inside and outside of the tooth, in between those cuts. This is what gives you that specialness, special stuff right here, man. Special sauce. That is heme. This is fitting to a T, y'all. Sterling silver gives you a nice look. This can be done in white gold, yellow gold, rose gold. If you need this look, just screenshot that, inbox me, whatever. You know the routine, and we'll get you guys covered. And in the door, out the door with that drip. See them gum lines to perfection, no teeth showing. It's very important that it's done the right way. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, everybody for supporting, everybody for being patient, y'all. All the people that are patient, that call the business line and follow the routines that we follow with our staff. Y'all be easy, y'all. Stay safe. SeattleGoGrills.com. Fred Bennett Creations, new location. Come see us, y'all. 206-250-0833. 100.